आपको क्या लगता है कि आजकल की जो जनरेशन है वो किस हिसाब से लाइफस्टाइल को गलत तरीके से ले रही है?
We are going after quick fixes. 7 days detox, 10 days 10 kg loss. There is no shortcut to health. Fats are not the enemy of our body. We are considering fat as a villain. See the labels. What are you eating? Just don't blindly follow that. In COVID times, I was just scrolling. I had a lot of time. We were treating online patients. Travel influencers, sports influencers talking about COVID. Doctors
Right.
not talking.
Welcome to Agrofield Podcast. Agrofield, India's trusted cold-pressed oils brand, founded in 2021, was started with a simple mission to bring truly chemical-free groceries and food products to Indian households. Today, we are proud to have reached over 50,000 families across the country. Through this podcast, our aim is to deliver real value, burst common health myths, and bring you insights directly from the leading health professionals. सो अबाउट द गेस्ट सर, आपके अचीवमेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा है, मुझे थोड़ा पढ़कर बोलना पड़ेगा. Today's guest needs no introduction. Dr. Nikhil Kulkarni. He is a gold medalist in homeopathy, a practitioner with years of clinical experience, and a torchbearer of legacy where both his father and grandfather served as respected doctors. With deep expertise, a scientific mind, and a grounded approach, he stands out as someone who believes in healing from the root, not just treating symptoms. I welcome you to the podcast, sir.
Thank you, Piyush. Thank you, friends. I'm really excited to, have me here. So yes,
Let's roll it then.
of course, yeah.
So, sir, there are a few of the questions. जब मैंने आपके बारे में जाना कि आपके 3 generations doctors है,
Yeah.
तो सर एक personal question जरूर पूछना चाहूँगा.
Okay,
सर, आपको बच्चे हैं?
of course, yes.
तो सर, आपके बच्चे जब हुए थे तो आपने क्या उनको देखकर ये बोला कि ये डॉक्टर बनेगा?
Oh, I'm a Three Idiots fan, you can say. But funnily, I can tell you that my son Parth is 9 years old, and he has already started prescribing medicines at his school. He brings in homeopathy we have medicines like arnica when you have such trauma, arsenic for cold, and such basic remedies he started using. Though
Okay.
it's really funny.
सो सर, आपके घर में जैसे आपने कहा कि 3 जनरेशन से डॉक्टर है,
Yeah.
तो इस लेगेसी का आपके लिए क्या मतलब है?
See, Piyush, this legacy means not only the medical legacy or not only the professional legacy, but this legacy is more about values, more about discipline. My father, my grandfather taught me three important things. First thing is empathy, second thing is clinical judgment, and third thing is discipline. So these values instilled in me since childhood. And one more thing, I'm not pressurized with this legacy, but I get more inspired with this legacy.
That's
Yeah.
great, sir.
Yeah.
स्पीकिंग अबाउट द डिसिप्लिन, लेगेसी एंड ऑल द थिंग्स, आपको क्या लगता है कि आजकल की जो जनरेशन है वो किस हिसाब से लाइफस्टाइल को गलत तरीके से ले रही है?
Yeah, this is very important question because we come from the 21st century, social media, lot of exposure of knowledge, and what I think what we are mistaken is that we are going after quick fixes, like 7 days detox, 10 days 10 kg loss, and googling the symptoms, taking use of AI, putting the symptoms and getting the remedies. There is no shortcut to health. You have to work hard towards it.
That's a wonderful thing, sir. There is no shortcut to health. So, can you tell me 3 of the major things which is going wrong in Indian kitchen?
Yeah, in Indian kitchen, the first thing that is refined oils and processed foods. The second thing that is refined sugar. And the third thing I can tell you, Piyush, labeling of the products. What I mean by labeling of the products, recently I had been to Israel and I went to one shop. I wanted to travel, and there was written diet chiuda. So I just saw the chiuda packet. It's normal chiuda. And behind the packet, I saw that the contents are palm oil, sodium, refined sugar, and they have written diet chuda. So this is misleading. Also, sugarless cookies, no sugar added, but in bracket you have to read no extra sugar added, but that product has already sugar. So these are the three things Indian kitchen is we are mistaking.
ओके सो मार्केट में आप जो कह रहे हो जो रिफाइंड लाइक बिस्किट्स वगैरह मिलते हैं विद
Yeah.
रिफाइंड शुगर
Yeah.
तो दैट इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ
No, because you see palm oil, what it has saturated fats. And if you consider cold press oils that we are going to discuss today, about the oils when we will discuss, see, this palm oil is having various issues with the cardiac health. So we should consider the labels. See the labels. What are you eating? Just don't blindly follow that it is diet or it is organic or organic jaggery, for example. You have to see the labels. You have to see the source from where you are taking this food. So this we are blindly following it. I think because of Instagram, social media. See, social media is not a science. Social media is just a glimpse that people are giving commentaries on it.
ओके
In COVID times, I was just scrolling, I had a lot of time. We were treating online patients. I was scrolling and I could see travel influencers, sports influencers talking about COVID. Doctors are
राइट
not talking. Some travel influencer is talking about COVID. So then it clicked my mind, and after COVID, I decided to, put me on social media. And then I started my Instagram journey. Because,
Okay.
people should get educated. They are blindly following the trends.
Sir, being a doctor, being a homeopathic doctor, a MD,
Yeah.
and also talking about social media and Instagram
Yeah.
is a big thing because
Yeah.
you are the person now who is providing few of the important things for all the generations, especially the younger generations, because
Yeah.
younger generation ज़्यादा social media यूज करती है
हाँ.
और आपके कुछ टिप्स जो कि डेफिनेटली एक ट्रैवल इन्फ्लुएंसर या फिर एक स्पोर्ट्स इन्फ्लुएंसर से ज़्यादा बेटर है
Yeah.
वो टिप्स will be very very beneficial for everyone, sir.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I want to thank you for that, sir, especially.
Yeah.
Sir, speaking about oil, आपको क्या लगता है कि ये processed oil जो
Yeah.
recently मतलब
Yeah.
after 1960s somewhere palm oils use करना चालू हुआ है
Yeah.
तो उसके बारे में आपका कुछ special thing?
See, basically, I want to clear one thing. Fats are not the enemy of our body. We are considering fat as a villain. See, fats are necessary for your brain health. Fats are necessary for your metabolism. Fats are necessary for your joint complaints. When you have lubrication in your joints, then you will get more free movement. So fats are necessary, but healthy fats. I'm not talking about saturated fats. It's unsaturated fats, which we get from the cold pressed oils. And I'm proudly associated with Agrofield. You know, this company, I'm genuinely telling, I'm not just for the podcast, but genuinely I use Agrofield oil at my home. My wife prepares food from Agrofield cold pressed oils because these are natural oils and you know the source. You can visit their place anytime. They will show you how it is prepared. So I just want to tell you that fats are not enemy. You need fats, but healthy fats.
Sir, that's the reason also we are doing this podcast because there is a need कि लोगों को समझे
Yeah.
कि एक नॉर्मल ऑयल और एक कोल्ड प्रेस्ड ऑयल या
Yeah.
फिर एग्रोफील्ड जैसी कंपनीज एक्चुअली क्या ला रही है.
Yeah.
दिस पॉडकास्ट इज जस्ट टू फॉर पीपल टू नो कि हम लोग एक्चुअल नॉलेज हम लोग देना चाहते हैं कि
Yeah.
क्या सही होता है क्या
Yeah.
गलत होता है. देन सर अडॉप्शन वाली जो चीज है वहां तो हम लोग लोगों को जबरदस्ती नहीं कर सकते
नहीं.
बट देन एक पीस ऑफ नॉलेज लोगों तक पहुंचना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yeah, one more thing I want to add with this cold pressed oils, if you add even in your diet cow's ghee, like desi cow ghee, and if you take 2 to 3 tablespoons per day, your skin will thank you, your brain will thank you, your gut will thank you. Many constipation patients come to me, many gastric complaints come to me, and they tell me, give me medicine. So before medicine, I tell them to start cow's ghee. So
Nice.
they say whether it will increase my fat. I say no, just try it, and they are very happy. Every day in the morning, they can add some ghee in hot water, for example, or along with the honey, you can take it. Or even as an anti-inflammatory, I suggest cow ghee along with turmeric. It acts as
Okay.
an anti-inflammatory drug. And if you are working out and if you take turmeric along with even warm milk, it is like a muscle relaxant. You will not get soreness. You just experience it.
सर जैसे आपने अभी घी के बारे में बोला,
Yeah,
मैंने ये बहुत थियरीज सुनी है कि घी से फैट्स बढ़ते हैं,
yeah, yeah,
घी इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ,
yeah,
बट एट द वेरी सेम टाइम अगर मैं मेरी मॉम या डैड से बात करूँ तो वो लोग कहते हैं कि नहीं, घी खाना तो अच्छा होता है,
yeah,
जोड़ों के दर्द नहीं होते।
yeah.
तो सर इस पर आपका एक्चुअल व्यू क्या है? व्हाट इज द
See,
एक्चुअल थिंग?
ghee is very important, and this we are very privileged as an Indian person that we get such a nice cow ghee. I had been to Europe, I had been to Israel. They have very good cheese, we can say. But in India, if you see, we have very good ghee, we have very good cows, we have very good milk. Now, A2 milk is very nice.
राइट
Uh, so I think you should definitely have ghee. I don't think that there is any issue.
सर जैसे आप डॉक्टर हो तो आप कंटिन्यूसली पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट करते हो,
Yeah, yeah.
तो सबसे शॉकिंग या फनी मिथ आपने पेशेंट से क्या सुना है?
Yeah, true, true. This is very interesting question.
हम्म,
See, recently one patient came to me with the acidity complaints,
ओके,
and he told me, Doctor, Coca-Cola reduces my acidity, and he's having Coca-Cola every day at home. I was like shocked, like why you are taking Coca-Cola for acidity, and he
ओके,
is having aerated drink that is already carcinogenic. Some patients tell me, Doctor, whenever I travel, I only take Diet Coke. I don't take sugar. See, Diet Coke has sugar-free product aspartame
हम्म,
in Diet Coke. So how you are saying it is sugarless? They are using sweetener and they are saying it is sugarless. So sweetener has more harm to your body. So I always suggest don't take sweetener. Use jaggery. Use even if you take small amount of sugar in your tea, it is okay. But don't use sweetener. Stevia is also okay. One more funny fact I told you that day patient tell me, Doctor, I had fever and I kept onions in my socks and my fever got cured. So this is also funny.
सर डाइट कोक के बारे में आपने कुछ अभी बात बताई, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा अभी रिसेंटली देख रहा हूँ कि
Yeah.
लोग डाइट कोक यूज़ कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ उनकी उससे नींद उड़ जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ हाई अमाउंट ऑफ कैफीन,
Yeah.
and at the very same time it says that their mind works more faster.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't
No,
understand
this
all
is
these things.
totally myth, and you can say it is all psychological. Basically, Diet Coke, I can accept that it has 0 calories, but as I told you, it has sweetener, so it is harmful. Also, it has phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid, what it does to your body, it is an inflammatory product. So it creates inflammation in your body. So once in a while, it's okay. I can tell my friends that, okay, once a week you're going out, have Diet Coke. Once a month you're traveling somewhere, have Diet Coke. I'm not denying it. It has 0 calories, better than normal Coca-Cola, Pepsi, everything. But once in a while, it's okay.
दैट्स ग्रेट सर,
Yeah.
थैंक यू, बिकॉज ये इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ज़्यादा क्रूशल रहेगी
Yeah.
खासकर यंगर जनरेशंस में,
हाँ.
and it will be very beneficial for me personally as well
नहीं
because
कभी कभी आप ले लो, don't worry.
hmm,
You know, I always tell my patients that even peer pressure, you go to some club or you go to some bar, instead of having alcohol, you can have Diet Coke. So that's my answer now. You can think about it.
sir, that will be very better, अल्कोहल छोड़कर अगर हम लोग डाइट
हाँ,
को पे
ले लो
शिफ्ट
ले
हो
लो,
सकते हैं,
उतना ठीक है.
it will be best thing, right?
हाँ. Yeah.
ओके, सो सर आपको अगर सिर्फ 3 लाइफस्टाइल हैबिट्स अगर चूज करनी है जिससे
yeah.
ड्रास्टिकली सबकी हेल्थ बेटर हो जाए, तो वो
Okay.
ऐसे क्या 3 लाइफस्टाइल हैबिट्स होंगे?
Okay, so I will tell you 4 lifestyle habits,
दैट्स ग्रेट.
not 3. Very important 4. I keep it always in my mind. First thing is mindful eating and timely eating. Second thing is exercise. Third thing is sleep. And fourth thing, can you guess, Piyush? Fourth thing, what can be? Fourth thing is your mental and emotional balance.
Okay.
That is very important. So these are the four things. If you keep it in mind, it will be okay.
सर मैं देख रहा हूँ कि जिम का भी एक काइंड ऑफ एक कल्चर आया है. सो मुझे बताइए कि जैसे जिम करने के बाद भी इच्छा तो होती है सर कुछ
Yeah.
ना कुछ खाने की.
Yeah.
सो आपका चीट डे के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
I will not deny that you should have cheat days, you know.
ओके.
You can have cheat days, like pani puri is okay. Just see the source of that shop. See where you are eating from. You can have SPDP, pani puri, some junk food. Once in a while it's okay. Once a month it's okay.
Okay.
There is no harm in it because you have to keep the balance. I always believe that 80-20 rule.
ओके.
80% you have to eat clean. 80% you have to follow your diet. 80% you have to follow your workout.
ओके.
20% if you keep it for yourself, it's okay. Just relax. Health is not a shortcut or short form.
So, sir, tell us about your journey in homeopathy,
Okay.
and mostly also tell us the difference between homeopathy and allopathy.
Okay.
Because you see nowadays सभी लोग एलोपैथी की तरफ ज़्यादा जाते हैं
Okay.
बिकॉज वो जल्दी इलाज हो जाता है.
Okay.
बट देन आई हैव हर्ड ऑफ इट कि होम्योपैथी से रूट कॉज या फिर रूट में सारी चीजें क्योर होती है.
Yeah.
तो उसके बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
Piyush, you are absolutely right, and you have heard a lot about homeopathy, allopathy. First, I will tell about my journey. Since childhood, I am observing my father treating thousands of patients with compassion. On my dining table, always used to be discussions about cases, about medical, about allopathy, homeopathy, Ayurveda. So this passion for medical science instilled in me since my childhood.
ओके.
I wanted to become a doctor, so it was fixed. And then slowly, when I understood, my grandfather treated symptoms, my father treated mind and body balance, and now my generation, I am treating lifestyle, I am treating diet, I am treating homeopathy, holistic therapy, mental balance. So I have integrated all the sciences. In my generation, it is a need of an hour. And the one more question you asked about homeopathy and allopathy.
Yeah.
I think this needs a deeper answer. See, homeopathy and allopathy, Ayurveda, these are basically different streams.
Yeah.
We have alternative medicines.
Yes.
In alternative medicine, you have homeopathy, Ayurveda, Unani, naturopathy, and 100 plus traditional medicines practicing in India and across the globe. We will say allopathy as a modern medicine or the mainstream medicine. It has scope in emergencies, surgeries, very acute situations. So if the patient comes to me and if he requires surgery, I must refer him to the surgeon. I will not be fixed about, no, he came to me, I should treat him only with medicines. But he
Okay.
needs surgery, he has to go for surgery. Similarly, if mainstream doctor considers this, if this patient is chronic patient, it should be referred to a homeopathy or Ayurveda. He should refer the patients. Homeopathy, it considers mind and body together. And we treat the person who has the disease. But mainstream medicine treats the disease who the person is having.
Okay.
So they treat the disease and we treat the patient, person. So
That's
we
great.
treat the person as a whole, considering his mind, body, and emotions. And one more aspect I want to tell you, individualization. If suppose two patient comes to me with having migraine complaints,
Okay.
both are having right-sided headache, vertigo, blackening of the eyes, they are feeling a little bit shaky. At that time, I will give two different remedies to two patients, though they have similar complaints. How? Because one patient might be having cause due to sun exposure, other patient might be having cause due to mental stress. So in homeopathy, we take the history, we take the data of the patient, mind, body, physical symptoms, his sleep pattern, his food habits, and that is the beauty of homeopathy. So we get the satisfaction of treating the patient from the root cause. If you know the root cause of the disease, it is easy to treat.
सर वन थिंग आई हैव लाइक्ड अबाउट दिस आंसर इज कि मैंने बहुत सुना है कि होम्योपैथी में यही होता है कि एवरी पेशेंट नीड्स डिफरेंट मेडिसिन
Yeah,
एंड यू क्रिएट योर ओन मेडिसिन ऑन पेशेंट बेसिस
yeah,
कि पेशेंट को क्या हुआ है.
yeah,
एट द वेरी सेम टाइम अगर हम एलोपैथी की तरफ जाते हैं तो वो थोड़ा सा जेनेरिक है.
yeah,
आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स रॉन्ग,
yeah,
आई एम नो वन टू से दिस,
yeah,
बट यू नो एलोपैथी के मेडिसिन जो है इट्स प्रीटी मच जनरल कि देर आर काइंड ऑफ डिजीजेस और उस डिजीजेस के लिए उस वैसे ही कुछ मेडिसिन है.
yeah, yeah.
सर इसी टॉपिक को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मुझे एक क्वेश्चन था कि कुछ बिग डिसीजेस जो है जैसे हार्ट अटैक्स के बारे में हो गया,
Okay.
जैसे कैंसर के बारे में हो गया,
Yeah, yeah,
सो इसके लिए दो चीज़ें आपको पूछनी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि हमारे डेली हैबिट्स में जो हम लोग ऑयल या फिर हम लोग जो खाने के पदार्थ यूज़ करते हैं
हाँ, हाँ,
उससे कितना बड़ा अफेक्ट होता है.
yeah.
एट द वेरी सेम टाइम मुझे ये भी पूछना है कि उसका जो क्योर है वो होम्योपैथी से कितना बेटर हो सकता है.
Okay, okay. So this is again a deep question, Piyush. You see, homeopathy has scope and limitations,
Okay.
just like other science. Allopathy has scope and limitations. As a doctor, I should understand what is the scope. If disease is chronic, if disease is not acute and in emergency situation, I should treat that patient. And with lifestyle, with diet, with homeopathic medicines. In homeopathy, we treat by constitutional medicine. Every person has the separate constitution, and according to that we have to treat the patient. So again I am telling it's a holistic approach. And my generation, I got passion into exercise, diet, and then I understood that before prescribing the medicine, what if I prescribe the lifestyle to that patient? What if I tell the right diet to that patient? What if I tell the good counseling, good psychological counseling, and boost his confidence? So these are very important things. And in cardiac diseases, if see the patient is in emergency, you have to refer it to cardiac surgeon or cardiologist. You have to refer it to the hospital. You cannot play the life of that patient. But post surgical or pre surgical, there are certain remedies in homeopathy that can be given. So that can relieve the symptom also, and it helps in curing the symptoms also.
सो सर कंसिडरिंग ऑल द फैक्ट्स हमने जो बात की, हाउ डू यू डिफाइन हेल्थ नाउअडेज?
Nowadays, health, I can tell you, health is clarity, health is strength, health is creativity, and health is emotional balance. And health is a state of equilibrium, stable equilibrium in your body and mind. So spiritually you are strong, mentally you are strong, physically you are strong. That is health according to me.
दैट्स ग्रेट सर. सर जैसा हमने अभी वर्कआउट के बारे में बात किया, हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें कवर की. एक और क्वेश्चन मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा आता है कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट सप्लीमेंट्स? क्या वो लेने चाहिए? क्या कितना वो अफेक्ट करते हैं बॉडी पर? मैंने बहुत सुना है कि इट अफेक्ट्स बॉडी ऑन अ वेरी लार्ज लेवल. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
See, Piyush, supplements are not the diet. Supplements should not be substitute to your diet. It is not a replacement to your diet. A good diet, good exercise, and additionally, some deficiency are filled with supplements. So, in Indian subcontinent, I see lack of B12, lack of vitamin D, lack of protein, lack of even omega 3. So, in my practice, usually I use whey protein. Whey protein is very safe. They have so many contradictions to whey protein, I can tell you. But whey protein is seen in mother's breast milk also.
Oh.
So, see, breast milk is given to the child. It is so safe and it is so healthy. So, whey protein is very safe. Just see the brand, see the source. Again, I am telling you. Second supplement, I tell you, creatine. Creatine is also very good. Creatine 5 gram if you take per day, that is okay. Above 18 years of age, it will help you for your brain health, for your muscles, for your recovery. One more supplement I tell you, vitamin E, post workout you can take it, and omega 3 and 6. This will also have a very good effect on your body. So these are some basic information about supplements, but always remember, supplement is not the substitute to your diet. Supplement is just an addition. So first focus on your diet, first focus on your exercise, focus on your sleep.
ओके. जैसे आपने अभी डिफाइन किया ये सारे सप्लीमेंट्स को, मार्केट में ऐसे बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स है
Yeah.
जो ये सप्लीमेंट्स वो कहते हैं कि उनके प्रोडक्ट्स में ये सप्लीमेंट्स है.
Yeah,
आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मेजर ब्रांड्स.
yeah.
So are they correct? This is the right way to go?
Yeah. See, there are certain brands. I will not name those brands because this is not a sponsored podcast. But I tell you, there are few very, very good brands in the market since many years. Just you have to take the advice of your nutritionist, your doctor, or your personal trainer. Don't just blindly follow the Instagram or Facebook with the ad that this is isolate, this is concentrate, this will you will be bulk. One more misconception I see: if you are thin and you are lean thin, he thinks that he doesn't need exercise, he doesn't need supplements, and he eats junk food. You see the problem with the people. They say, अरे आप तो फैट नहीं होते, आप तो ऐसे ही है, आपको क्या कुछ भी खाया भी चलेगा. लेकिन जब वो 40, 50, 60 ईयर्स हो जाते हैं, सो उन्हीं को डायबिटीज और ब्लड प्रेशर हो जाता है. सो दैट पर्सन यूज टू बी थिन. वो तो रिलैक्स है, कुछ नहीं करने का अभी. देन ही अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट कि व्हाई आई एम सफरिंग. सो ये थोड़ा इशू है.
ओके सर, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट कि जैसे हम जिम की बात कर रहे थे,
हाँ
तो वुमेन्स जब वेट उठाती है या फिर
हाँ, हाँ.
वुमेन्स का जो वेट का जो हम लोग बोलते हैं कि शायद उन्होंने नहीं उठाना चाहिए, तो
Yeah.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस?
सी, वुमेन्स बॉडी हैज लेस टेस्टोस्टेरोन हार्मोन.
ओके.
तो उससे क्या हो जाता है, उनका बल्क नहीं होगा. उनको मिसकंसेप्शन क्या है कि अगर मैं वर्कआउट करूंगी तो मेरा बल्क ही दिखेगा बॉडी. दे वांट टू बी लुक वेरी नाइस फिगर, वेरी गुड. दैट इज ओके, बट आपका ऑलरेडी टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेस है तो आपका बल्क नहीं होने वाला. यू हैव टू डू स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग. उससे आपका मसल का टोनिंग होगा. योर मसल विल बी टोन. सो फीमेल या मेल, there is no difference. You have to do strength training. Also, that will give them hormonal boost. Hormonal health will be better. Their confidence will be better. I see many women in menopausal age. They are already looking very old, already having mood swings, already hot flushes. But those women who are doing workout regularly in menopausal period, you can see the difference. You can see the difference in skin, in hair, in their body posture. So women must do strength training. This is the first and foremost thing. Every patient comes to me, I tell this. This is very important.
Sir, you spoke about nutrition right now.
Yeah.
One thing I want to ask you, अभी यंगर जनरेशन्स में एक नई लेयर आ रही है कि चैट जीपीटी से हम लोग न्यूट्रिशन प्लान, डाइट प्लान
Yeah,
ये सब
yeah.
ले सकते हैं.
Yeah.
सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
See, chat GPT, AI tools, definitely it is boon to human being. Even I am using chat GPT for my patients, for my work, daily work. But when it is about your health, it is about your body. Your body is your temple. How can you rely on someone's comments on chat GPT or Googling the symptoms? You are not a product of trial and error. That's why personal trainer, nutritionist, and doctor's advice is very important. And I always tell people, take just a guidance from AI, but confirm with your health practitioner, confirm with your nutritionist. That's the advice I want to give.
सो एआई तो होना चाहिए,
Of course.
पर वो एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम रहा.
हाँ,
तब
it is
तक
just
ठीक
a
है.
support. लेकिन you have to confirm with your fitness instructor.
दैट्स ग्रेट सर. सर, कुछ रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चंस मैं आपके साथ लेना चाहूंगा.
Oh, sure.
मैंने कुछ आपके लिए स्पेशली लिख के रखे हैं. और ये एग्रोफील्ड वाले सर मानते नहीं, थोड़ा रैपिड फायर के बिना जमता नहीं है.
Sure, Piyush.
So sir, let's start with the rapid fire questions.
Okay.
One food you will never eat.
French fries.
One thing Indians should stop.
Googling and taking, AI help for their symptoms.
Most underrated habit.
Sleep,
Most overrated habit.
detox diet,
Supplement people think they need.
fat burners.
One thing every patient should understand.
See, one thing I always tell my patients that your cure, your health needs consistency, and it's a team effort. Doctor is only one part of your health. I always ignite doctor in my patient. You see the sentence. You have
Okay.
to ignite doctor in your patient. That means You have to make them aware about health choices, about lifestyle, about diet, about exercise. So he is going to cure himself. Doctor, fitness trainer, nutritionist are there to support you, but you are going to cure yourself, and you need that self. We will instill willpower or awareness in you, but you are the person who is going to cure by yourself, not by the doctor, not by the medicines.
Sir, I appreciate your approach towards things because, igniting a doctor inside a patient is very important because हर वक्त तो डॉक्टर साथ नहीं रहेगा,
नहीं रहेगा.
राइट?
या.
डे टू डे प्रोसेस में अगर मेरे अंदर एक डॉक्टर इग्नाइट हो जाए,
हाँ.
मैं कोई चीज खाने के पहले सोचने लगूं,
हाँ.
मैं कोई चीज करने के पहले सोचने लगूं, मैं एक्सरसाइज अगर स्किप करने का सोचूं,
या.
तो दैट टाइम आई थिंक दिस अप्रोच विल हेल्प मी.
डेफिनेटली.
ये फ्रीज्ड आइटम्स जो होते हैं,
हाँ हाँ
जो आप
हाँ
देख रहे हो कि फ्रीज्ड आइटम्स लोग खाने लगे हैं,
हाँ 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 हाँ.
तो any insights about those items or something which you want to tell this generation, older generation, because I can see even older generation has now preferred those items.
या या
It is tasty indeed,
या
we all have had it,
या
it is tasty, tasty तो है,
या.
पर उसके बारे में कुछ clinically आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
See, frozen items, I can say in certain limit it's okay. In
Okay.
certain limits. But try to have fresh food. We are in India. We have got so many good options. I had been to Russia, and some people are eating same food every day by keep it in freeze, removing, keep it in microwave, and reheating it. So the nutrients are less. The appetite will be okay. You will feel full. आपको लगेगा कि आपने खाना खाया, अच्छा खाया, but nutrients are less. So try to have fresh food, fresh fruits. Try to avoid frozen food. But there are certain companies also nowadays, they tell you what is there in their preservatives, what are preservatives used. So you have to study which frozen food you are taking, and then try to take it.
But sir, do you think कि इतना स्टडी खाने के पहले लोग करते हैं?
That is what I told you. In Indian kitchen, what we are mistaking, we are not reading the labels. We are just following the fancy fads. We are following Instagram. See, diet chuda, maida, healthy maida, or sugarless cookies. All these things, you have, these Indians are mistaking all these things. That's why reading labels is the primary thing. I insist you, even if you are taking whey protein, you read the label. What is there in your whey protein? Now you are googling your symptoms. You have chat GPT. So instead of googling your symptom and getting more panicky and anxiety, google your products. If doctors give you some prescription, google that prescription instead of symptoms. So just be aware what is going in your body. Be aware what are you feeding to your mind. Mindless scrolling, this is totally different topic, but I can tell you, mindless scrolling, that is also one kind of diet you are taking for your mind. So unfollow few people, unfollow these people who are toxic in nature. So keep a private good group, follow good people on social media. That's the message to my young friends.
One last thing to ask, this whey protein thing, अगर मैं डे टू डे एक्सरसाइज ना जा सकूं और मैं उस जगह पे वे प्रोटीन कंटिन्यूसली लेते रहूं, इज इट गुड फॉर मी?
See, whey protein in certain limit, like 1 scoop per day. 1 scoop is around 24-25 grams.
Yes.
Even if you're not exercising, you can have it. It is so safe.
22 grams of protein is like one scoop.
24-25 grams
Yeah.
is 1 scoop.
Yes.
And it is just a supplement. It is not something, toxic, or not something. That is a myth, that whey protein is villain. I definitely tell you, everybody should take whey protein, but 18 age and above. You should
Okay.
be 18 and above. So you are not exercising, that is not the option. Whenever I meet people, how can you tell I am not exercising? You have
Okay.
you start something small. Do 10 minutes of exercise every day. Start something small. Walk, jog, cycle, do push-ups, and then slowly increase the consistency, slowly increase the intensity.
Sir, there are many of the apps as well.
Yeah.
Like this is not the promotion kind of podcast, but apps like Healthify Me.
Okay.
In Apple, there is Health app
Yeah.
where you track your steps.
हम्म,
Healthify Me में हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि कैलोरी कितना है
कैलोरी कितना है, हाँ.
particular food items में. We can even include the pictures.
Yeah.
So yeah, it is by your sayings मैं देख सकता हूँ कि अगर हम लोग थोड़ा सा ध्यान दे
Yeah.
हमारी हेल्थ पे,
Yeah,
थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज, थोड़ा वे प्रोटीन,
Yeah,
थोड़े
yeah.
ऐसे एप्स यूज कर ले,
Yeah.
थोड़ा एआई यूज कर ले, कुछ
हाँ.
डॉक्टर्स की एडवाइस ले ले, तो हमारी डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज बहुत बेटर हो सकती है.
Definitely. And we are blessed to have this technology with us.
Yes.
Why not use? And if we invest certain amount of membership to it, it is for your health only, na.
Right.
So invest in proper personal trainer, invest in nutritionist, invest in good food, good people, and good books. That is the don't complicate your health. We are complicating it more. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
One message to my friends is that your body is your permanent home. You see, your body is your permanent home, and if you take care of your body will take care of you.
Oh,
So treat your body as a temple. Don't treat as a garbage that anything you can add it to it, because you will see it later in your life. So just on a serious note or funny note, I can tell you that focus on your health, focus on your mind, and focus on your lifestyle.
थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर. आपके कुछ पर्सपेक्टिव्स जो है मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो दुनिया तक पहुँचे. एंड थैंक यू ऑल फॉर बीइंग हियर. दिस इज द सीरीज वेयर वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग वेरियस थिंग्स with various industry professionals, and I'm glad to have you here. And sir, thank you because ये start है इस podcast का.
Yeah.
I hope हम लोग बहुत दूर तक जा सके.
Yeah,
Thank you.
definitely. Thank you, Piyush.
Thank you.
Yeah.